Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Oka Love Light. Y'all know how we do. We're gonna jump right on into it. So we are meal prepping today, and I'm gonna do something that I never ever do. I am going to meal prep me some air fried wings. Y'all know normally when I cook my wings, I eat them that day because I like them to be fresh, but I'm trying something different. Y'all guys excuse my voice. It's a little bit of respiratory issues going around, so I didn't caught a little bit of it, but that's okay. It's all good. Anyway, you guys, you are going to season with avocado oil. I didn't have Cajun seasoning. My kids used it, didn't tell me. That's the problem. When you teach these kids how to cook, these teenagers, they use everything and you don't know it's gone until you looking at it and see an empty bottle. Jesus. But you guys, you're going to season with salt and pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, oregano. We're going to give that a good mix. Then we are going to put these in the air fryer on 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes. All right, y'all. Go ahead, get on into it, and I'll come back. Now that we have our wings in the air fryer, we are just going to be start our egg and sausage scramble. Y'all, I'm just going to be using regular turkey sausages. It's 0 carbs and it's 100 calories. And this container has about 5 servings. And each serving has 12 grams of protein. Now, you guys, you do not need avocado oil for this. You could just spray your pan with some non-stick spray because you're going to see I end up pouring all of this liquid stuff out. You don't need it. Please just spray your pan. Don't use this oil because you don't need it. So when we put it in the pan, we are just going to break it up a little bit. And we are going to cook this until it's about 95% done. Then we're going to add our eggs and cheese. Now, for my OGs who've been here, y'all know normally I add some onions and peppers, which takes it up a notch. But for the last couple of weeks, I just been having a taste for just regular egg and cheese. That's it. That's all. But if you want it to be like really, really flavorful, girl, add you some seasoning in here, some Cajun seasoning, some Italian oregano with some little bit of onion and garlic powder. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all ain't hear that. Some onion and garlic powder, and then add you some cut up peppers and some cut up onions. Y'all, it takes it up a notch by 1,000. It is so delicious, but I love it this way too. I just want it simple. So these are the eggs I'm going to be using. We are going to use 6 eggs. We're going to scramble it, and we're going to use about 1/4 cup of shredded cheese. I think it's 1 carb. We are going to put that in there and give it a good mix, and then again we're going to wait until our sausages are about 95% done, and then we're going to pop our eggs in.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud 9. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you, about you, you.
All right, you guys, so for our side, for our wings, we are just going to be making some roasted Brussels sprouts and peppers. So you're going to get yourself 2 colored peppers, and we're going to chop them, well, not chop them, we're going to slice them up. Not chop, we're going to slice them up. Now, if you want, you can add green pepper to this, but I feel like green pepper over overpowers the Brussels sprout taste, so I don't add green pepper. These are the sprouts that we're going to be using. It is 4 servings. It is 5 net carbs for each serving. We are just going to cut the bottom off, the stem, and then we're going to cut it in half. And then we're going to place it in a bowl, and we're going to add some avocado oil, and then we're going to start to add our seasonings, which is going to be a little bit of salt and pepper, Italian seasoning, oregano, garlic powder, and onion powder, and a little bit of red pepper flakes. Then we're going to put it in the oven, you guys, on 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Take it out, mix it around, and then put it back in there. Now, you don't have to put it back in there because after about 20 minutes, they are done. But I like mine to have like a burnt, crispy pieces on there. I kind of overdid it, but it was still good. But y'all are going to see this. Y'all going to be like, girl, did you burn your food? No, I didn't burn all of it. Just go ahead, y'all. I did burn some of them, which I do like. I like that little char taste on it. Almost like it was on the grill. That's what it tastes like. So, but anyway, you're going to pop them in the oven. Like I said, on 400 degrees. Put it in there for about 20 minutes. Take it out, stir it up. You're going to put it back in there for about 10 minutes. I left mine in there when I put it back for about maybe 20 minutes. So, go ahead, y'all. Get on into it. Now come back.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it.
All right, you guys, so here is what it looks like after 20 minutes. You can stir this around like I'm doing here, and you can pop it back in there for 5 to 10 minutes. They're already done, so you can just put it in your bowl now because they are already soft. They're already done. I put mine back in there, which I should have just did 10 minutes. I did about 20 minutes. But I like these little burnt pieces. I just slide them off of the Brussels sprouts because I like to eat them separately, like not with a whole sprout. So I like to just slide them off to kind of give me some more Brussels leaves. I will say, if you are a person who thought you didn't like Brussels sprouts, but you've never had them roasted, try them roasted. It gives them a completely different taste. I do not know how or why, but it definitely ups them. It changes them into a different vegetable. I'm telling you, it's so good roasted. So here are the wings. This is what they look like. They are done. We are just going to plate this up, and then we're going to move right along.
Even though it's new, I can already tell, oh, that this feeling is taking over. Can we take our time? I wanna savor every thought on my mind.
All right, you guys, so for my snack, my salty snack this week, I'm just going to have some pepperonis. 16 slices is 80 calories, and it's 1 carb. This is what everything looks like. I got my sausage and egg and cheese scramble, my Brussels sprouts and wings. I got me some yogurt for my sweet treat, and then I got me some lacrosse. This is what everything looks like, guys. Easy work today. All right, you guys, so today was 1,176 calories, and it was 15 net carbs. Total carbs was 20 grams. That is going to be the end of this video, you guys. If you are new here and you stayed this long, please consider subscribing. To my OGs who keep coming back, thank you so much for your love and support. You guys know how I feel about you. And I want to give a huge shout out to my new subscribers, to you guys. Thank you guys for rocking with me and trying me out. I also want to say welcome. I am so glad you are here. I appreciate you guys engaging with me in the comments, and I definitely appreciate y'all liking the video, you guys. Please don't forget to like the video if you got any idea or if you just simply enjoyed the show. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing the space with me. And as always, I thank you for watching.